Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to animate individual elements on Canva. So the first thing you need to do is open up the Canva website and then head over to your project that you want to edit. So after you open up your project, let's just say you want to animate different elements in a different way. So I'll just select this element here. I'll just animate it in one kind of way. Let's just say I'll select this one, spray paint, and I'll select this element here and animate it in another animation like the wipe. So I'll just select this one here and I'll just select the animation here for this way. So as you can see, like in order to animate individual elements, you need to select each elements and after that just go here to the animate option and you can select the animation that you like from all of these choices. So that's it with the video guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.